St. Patrick's Day. Woo, spring is on its way. I'm making a Reuben. It's St. Patrick's Day. Why not make a Reuben? I'm not making a Reuben. Everybody makes Reubens. I don't even know how to make a Reuben. This is what we're doing. Chicken breast. Just 2. Only 2 for the video. And we're going to put some Ruffles queso, Ruffles jalapeno ranch potato chips on them. Watch me. Food processor. It's going to be simple. Okay, so listen. If anyone is tuning in for the first time, I don't have any skills. I don't have any experience cooking. But we have fun doing this. And our whole thing is to think of just unique ideas, simple cooks that you folks can go ahead and try, tweak, make your own, make them better. It's just to get the ball rolling, you know, the wheels turning. This is what we're gonna do. So let's put some queso Ruffles in here.
Ooh.
I better not use too many because this is what we're gonna have for supper. But for the video, I don't even know if I know how to use this thing. Okay, and then let's do. Where's the pulse? I can't even read it.
I don't even know. Actually.
High, low, pulse. Okay, we're gonna pulse these. It's gonna make a lot of noise, so Tori will do some editing or not. I don't know.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah, that looks pretty good. We want to leave, you know, some kind of crispiness to them. I'll take that out, and then this comes off.
You should.
Oh, you can smell. Has anyone had queso Ruffles? Oh my god.
Okay. And
Bear with me.
oh, I think you just. You don't twist it. You just. Okay.
Okay, queso Ruffles are going in here. Here's the big hole. Oh, it just sets on there.
Yeah, you didn't have to twist it. I guess.
All right, and then the jalapeno ranch. And if you guys don't know, I work for Frito-Lay, so I'm promoting my own products here. You can get these at Walmart right now for $3. Regular retail, ridiculous, $4.79.
Disgusting.
Ridiculous. So take a look at that. Oh, queso Ruffles, man, they are so good. These are really good too. The queso Ruffles, that's probably my favorite potato chip.
My favorite potato chip doesn't exist anymore.
Which one is that, Tori?
The Gouda.
Oh, when they had the special Lays, the Gouda Lays.
Yeah.
Oh, Gouda, they're so good.
Bring back the Gouda.
Bring back the Gouda. All right. Okay. So let's open this up. Take that out.
Wow, it was that easy.
Okay, it doesn't seem like a lot because like we're just gonna do these 2 for now. We're gonna do a taste test. Some olive oil. I'm gonna coat these. Yeah, let's just get dirty. Let's get dirty. We'll rub it in there. I was gonna do. I mean, go ahead if you want to ever try this. You can do the flour egg if you want. Now I've done something similar to this with Flamin' Hot Cheetos and cheddar jalapeno Cheetos.
Go check that video out.
The first time there was a video on there. I got 88 views. Typical. So we did the same thing. The first time we did it, we tasted. We just cooked them and ate them. And we did the flour and the egg, but it seemed to take away a lot of the flavor.
Maybe more. Maybe that's good.
Yeah, I think it'll be all right. Obviously, if you do the flour and the egg, it's going to stick on there better.
That's
but
true.
we did notice last time it seemed to take away a lot of the flavor of the actual hot Cheetos. But we're going to go with that. And for the jalapeno, I'm sorry, did I call them jalapeno cheddar? It's jalapeno ranch.
Yeah, I think you did say.
Yeah, they're jalapeno ranch. You probably saw the bag already. All right, this is going to be a short video. I'm going to go ahead and let these sit in here for a little bit. Get the Blackstone fired up. And we'll cook these. These will cook real quick because they're very thin. Okay, I think that'll be fine. So come on back and we'll meet you guys outside. And we'll bring them back in when they're cooked. And we're going to try them and we'll see what we think. And I guess worst comes to worst, we don't like them. Because both of those flavors of Ruffles, man, tasty. Just tasty. Frito-Lay's expensive, but we make some good stuff.
That's
I'm washing my hands because I had cheeky. And yeah, originally, Dawn and I were talking about I was going to do a Reuben. And then I started looking at it. I've never done a Reuben. I never made one. So I'm sure it would be a complete disaster. And there's so many people doing Reubens this weekend on the Blackstone. I was like, it'll just get lost in the algorithm and I'll get 60 views at the most and call it a day. So this is something interesting. We're going to try it out. Never done it before, as usual. So you're all witnessing the first time. All right, I'll meet you outside once that gets warmed up and we'll cook these up.
Yay!
Peace. All right, there it is. Thin slice, cooked them on the Blackstone, maybe 10 minutes. Try to do it on medium low, and be careful because potato chips will burn, so keep it on medium to low, and just dome it. And now we're gonna try it. What do we want to try first?
I want to try this one.
The jalapeno ranch. You can tell the difference and tell which is which. All right, everybody,
Okay, 3,
give it a
2,
shot.
1.
It's got a crunch to it.
I kind of like it.
That one's good.
I like that.
Okay. It doesn't have as much flavor as this by itself. I will tell you that. But it's tasty.
I like that a lot.
You like that?
I like it too.
All right, now for my favorite potato chip in the entire world, queso Ruffles.
I'm gonna get a small one.
You can smell the queso
Yeah, I can
Ruffles.
smell it.
If no one's had these and you want to try these, make sure you have a breath mint after you eat those because we're almost first. All right, queso Ruffles. Hit it.
I like this one too.
That one's good too.
I like the queso Ruffles better. Has more flavor.
I like them both.
Yep, it's
I like them
tasty.
both. That tastes really good.
They're tasty. And we're going to eat these for supper. And Don made up some potato wedges in the oven prior to this. Go ahead, do what you want. It does work. I mean, you can bake these in the oven if you don't have a Blackstone, obviously. Food processor, you don't have one, just crush them up in a bag. They're good. Try any kind of flavor you want. Try any kind of potato chip you want. This is what we like and they're tasty. So give it a try. Whoop, whoop. Peace out.